Alright, I'm back again. I have another project today from a buddy of mine. Again, same one that had the Adidas. He had a house fire, so he wants me to take care of his Air Max 98s. So we're going to clean them up and see what we can do to make them look good again. So come back, I'll show you how I did it. Alright, so first of all we're going to take out the laces. This is them first of all. I'll get you a picture first. Do before and after. But we're going to take out the laces first, and then the insoles, and go from there. One down. Putting it in our bowl of solution. Let's take our insoles out now. That one to the side and prep the other one. Those two are done. So now we're going to take our soft bristle brush and our solution. Oh, go ahead and knead these laces up a little bit, get this water sudsy. This way they can sit in the soapy water. Alright, so like I said, we're going to use the solution and soft bristle brush. Take it to the outside of the soles, or outside of the shoes, the inside of the shoes, and everything. See if we can get some of this smoky stuff out. Here we go. Alright, we're done with the soft bristle for the outside. Now we're going to take our medium bristle, take it to our midsoles. Maybe even try to get some more of this white stuff off. It's supposed to be white, but see what we can do. Alright, is that for that one? Alright, we're going to let that sit there for a moment. I'm going to work on the second one with the medium. While that stuff sits on that one, at least it's wet, and then I'll go to the outsoles after I'm done with this one. We're going to take our stiff bristle brush and take it to the outsoles. Not too bad, but there's still some stuff in it. So. Those are done. We're going to put this to the side for now. Take care of these dirty insoles with the soft bristle brush, and then we're going to be going soon to the laundry. So they're looking pretty good. It's laundry time. So with these, we are going to put our shoe trees inside. Sometimes I do it with other shoes before I even start all that process, but sometimes I put my hand inside the shoes and I get a better grip. So because these are 13s, we're going to go to the end. They're going to be in the bag sole to sole and pressed inside, so it's not going to really matter too much about that, I guess. And can't forget our laces. Put them in there to pre-treat earlier. So switch them around a little bit, knead them up. Again, getting some nice good pre-treat. Yeah, this water's turning black. I mean, I know they're black laces, but again, I can remember this pair of shoes was in a fire, so those and the white Adidas right there. They were not white when I got them. Alright, bring them out. And I will be back. Going to the laundry. Alright, we're back from the laundry. Alright, so we are going to pull out the shoes and see what we have. Alright, they look pretty good. I'm happy with the way it looks. See a couple spots that can be touched up, but I think I can work with that. And a couple spots didn't come out of the insoles, so I'll work on that as well. But other than that, they came out really nice. So, like I said, a couple little treatment spots, and these will be done as well. Alright, we got as many spots as we could get off of there, and there's some stuff on here that just probably from when it was in the fire, along with the Adidas. There was some stuff that I just can't get off with cleaning and scrubbing, and anyway. Yeah, like there's one spot on the insoles that an amber must have hit one of the insoles and made a mark there. I can't get that out, so that's just something I can't get out. Anyway, the shoes came out really nice between the Adidas and the Air Max 98s. They look almost brand new again, and you know, hopefully my friend will be really happy with this. If you like what I'm putting out there, make sure you give me that thumbs up button down there. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you can get all my videos when they come out. Hit that share button. Send it to your friends and family members. Keep showing me some love. Alright, as always, I appreciate your support. Peace.